Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello!
Hello! And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay? And next we will do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. High to the sky. And then let's go down low. Touch your toes. And then back up high. This time, can we go tippy toe high? And when we're there, give a little wave. Excellent. And then let's go back down. Touch your toes. Hands on hips. And we'll go left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, and stop. And next we'll do our stretch. So let's do 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And to finish, we will do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So can anybody tell me what we've been learning about in math recently? Multiplication. That's right. How do we spell multiplication? M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Multiplication. Yes. And last lesson we learned how to do something whereby we carry over the numbers. Does anybody remember what that was called? Begins with R. Regrouping. Excellent. So we will say multiplication with regrouping. R-E-G-R-O-U-P-I-N-G. Multiplication with regrouping. Okay, and now I would like a volunteer. Prel, first hand up is Prel. So come and join me, Prel. What I will do, I will give Prel a multiplication problem on the board. And what I would like Prel to do is to draw the table and work out the problem using regrouping. Okay? So let's begin. I will give you this problem. What's our number?
34.
34 times 3 equals. And now Prel will work out the problem using a multiplication table. So over to you.
34
So we need to write 34 times 3. So what's the first thing we do?
4 times 3 equals 12.
Equals 12. So what do we write in the ones column? 2. And we carry over the 10. Excellent. And our next step is to go 3 times 3.
Equals 9. Plus 1 equals 10.
0,
1.
1. Perfect. So we can say 34 times 3 equals 102. That's how we work out multiplication with regrouping. This step here where we have too many ones, so we carry over into the tens, that's what we call regrouping. Prel, excellent. High five. Round of applause for Prel. And I think I would like one more volunteer. We'll do one more. So who would like to go next? Any volunteers? Pat, excellent. You come and join me. Okay, so this will be good. We'll do the same step. And this time, Pat will help us, okay? So you can stand here and I'll write your problem for you first, okay? So this time we will do 53 times how many? 2? We'll do 2? Okay, we'll do 2. 53 times 2. Pat, over to you. Can you draw it in your table here? So first thing we need to write 53 our times sign 2. Excellent. So what's our first step we need to do? We need to go 3 times 2
Equals 6.
equals 6. Do we need to regroup? No. So we've got our answer 6, but next 5 times 2 equals 10. 1, 0, 6. That's excellent, Pat. So our answer 53 times 2 equals 106. Excellent. High five. Round of applause for Pat. So you can see that was a brief recap of the previous lesson when we multiplied 2-digit numbers by a 1-digit number using regrouping. Now we're going to move on a stage further. We're not going to do 2-digit numbers. Can anybody guess what we do next? 3-digit numbers. We'll move on to 3-digit numbers. So next we've got a video and a PowerPoint presentation for us to view about multiplication of 3-digit numbers. So let's all turn our chairs to look at the TV screen, guys. So now let's look at our video about multiplication of 3 digits by one digit.
By one digit.
Let's take a look, guys.
How to multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let's have a look at small numbers where you don't need to carry over a digit. How to multiply 341 by 2? The multiplication sign will do the explaining.
Hi, I am the multiplication sign. Let me teach you how to multiply 341 by 2. Now we can start solving using the short way method. First, multiply the ones with the 1-digit number and write the answer below the ones column.
So 2 times 1.
Then multiply the tens with the 1-digit number.
2 times 4.
Write the answer below the tens column. Lastly,
2 times 3.
multiply the hundreds with
So our answer,
1-digit number and write the answer below the
682. Correct.
So the answer comes out to be 682.
Well done, guys.
So, Amber and Precious, I hope you have both understood things very clearly.
Oh yes, Master. It was great.
Yes, Master.
I understood everything.
Today we will learn how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let's have a look at bigger numbers where you need to carry over digits.
Okay, so now carry over with
How to multiply
regrouping.
134 by 5? The multiplication sign will do the explaining.
Hi, I am the multiplication sign. Let me teach you how to multiply 134 by 5. Now, I'm going to solve this sum using the short way method. First, multiply the 1-digit number with the ones digit and write the carry over above the tens column.
So 5 times 4.
Will remain below the ones column.
20.
Multiply the tens.
So 0, carry over 2.
Number. Now add the carry over written above tens.
17. So we write 7, carry over 1.
17 tens. So carry over the hundreds above the hundreds column and write the tens digit below the tens column. Now
5 times 1.
multiply the 1-digit number with the hundreds.
Excellent, guys.
Add the carry over above hundreds with the answer. So we get 670.
Well,
Excellent.
the final answer is 670. Have both of you understood?
Yes, Master.
See you in the next class. Let's revise the points to multiply 3-digit numbers. In this topic, you have learned the following. You can perform multiplication of 2 numbers with without a carry forward number. You can use the short way to multiply numbers, that is, without writing the numbers in the expanded form. Follow these steps for multiplying three numbers. Step 1. Multiply the ones.
Always start with the ones.
Answer under the ones column. Step 2. Multiply the tens.
The tens.
Write the answer under the tens column. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds. Write the answer under the hundreds column. You can also perform multiplication of two numbers with a carry forward number. You can use the short way to multiply numbers, that is, without writing the numbers in the expanded form. Follow these steps for multiplying three numbers. Step 1. Multiply the ones.
This is with regrouping.
Write the ones digit under the ones column and carry over to the tens column.
When you see the term carry over, it means regrouping.
Multiply the tens. Add the carry with answer and write the tens under the tens column and carry over to hundreds column. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds. Add the carry with answer and write under the hundreds column.
Any questions, guys? PowerPoint presentation is about multiplication. So remember, multiplying a one-digit number by three digits. 100, 200, all the way to 900. 3 times 100. 300. What do? We add 100. 100 plus 100 equals 4 times 200. We just need to add 200 Excellent, well followed. Do you remember about place value? We have a number here, 800, yes? This 0, ones. The second 0, tens. And then the third digit, the 8, hundreds. Yes, we go ones, tens, hundreds. So we have 800. When we are multiplying a number by 100, 200, 300, all the way up to 900, just multiply by the digit. If it's 100, just multiply by 1. And then when you have your answer, add your 2 zeros. For example, 1 times 9, 1 times 900. 900, it's just 9, 0, 0. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 500. 5, 0, 0. Final one. 1 times 3. 1 times 300. 3, 0, 0. Just add 2 digits to the end and you have your answer. So let's see. Let's have a look what we need to do. What number do we need to multiply? 142 times 2. Okay, so step 1, the ones. 2 times 2. Excellent. Do we need to regroup or carry? No. No, we have our answer, 4. Next, what do we need to do?
2 times 4 equals 8.
Excellent. Do we need to regroup or carry?
No.
No. We have our answers. And next,
2
times 1 equals 2. So we have our answer. 284. So we can say 142 times 2 equals 284. And this is how we do multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Any questions, guys? No. Okay, excellent. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video and the PowerPoint presentation about multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. And we'll do a little bit more about this soon. But now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up, guys. And we'll begin by walking on the spot. Stop. Let's walk on the spot again. And jog. Stop. Walk. Jog. Stop. Jog. Quickly for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Turn left. Turn left again. Turn left. And turn left again. Hello. Look up. Look down. Look left. Look right. Look forward. Let's turn right. Turn right again. Turn right. Turn right again. Hello. And we'll go down into a ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump! Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So now, let's do a little bit more of how many digits are we multiplying again? 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. And how many digits are we multiplying by?
1 digit.
So 3-digit numbers by 1 digit. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Multiplication of, and this time we're not going with 3 digits, we're not going to use regrouping for this lesson. Multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. Yes, so I will do one to demonstrate and you can all help me. So let's see, we'll have some low numbers to begin with. Somebody give me a low number. Just one number. 1. Can I have another low number? 3. Another low number? 2. Low, low. Another low number. 3. Okay. So what's our problem?
132 times 3.
Okay, so let's see. 132 times 3. So there's our table. What's the first thing I need to do? 2 times 3. 6. Okay. 2 times 3 equals 6. So what column's this again? Is this? Ones. This is our ones. So we have how many ones? 6. And then we go into the next column, which is the tens. So 3 times 3, 9. And then what's the next column? 1 times 3. So you can see, there's our answer. 132 times 3 equals 396. Excellent, guys. And you can see, when we talk about place value, ones, tens, hundreds. 396. Okay, let's do a few more. And now I would like more volunteers. Who would like to go first? Pak Bum, okay, you come and join me. So let's see. Equals over to Pak Bum. Can you draw your table for me, and then we'll do our working out together. So 23 times 2. Okay, so step 1, what do we need to do?
3 times 2 equals 6.
Excellent. Step number 2. Perfect. And
4 times 2 equals 8.
excellent. Pak Bung, what's our answer? 423 times 2 equals
846.
perfect. High five. Round of applause for Pak Bung. You can see that was so well worked out by Pak Bung, and for this lesson we're not using carry, we're just doing simple sums that don't involve carry or regrouping, okay? So let's do one more, and I would like another volunteer. Dan, come and join me at the front. Okay, this time what numbers shall we use, guys? Remember, we'll stick to low numbers. Bit higher than 1, but low. 3, 3, 2, low number. 3 again. Times. No. If it's too high, if it's 5, we have to use regrouping. For this lesson, we're just using simple sums. So what's our problem? 323 times by 3. Down. Over to you. Okay. So first of all, we'll draw our table.
323 times 3
Times by 3.
equals
So step 1, 3 times 3 equals 9.
2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9.
Perfect. You see, for this lesson, we're not going to use regrouping. We're just doing simple sums. So down, 323 times 3 equals 969. Excellent. High five. And rounds of applause for down. Okay? Well done. And now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, what you will need to do is print off a worksheet for each of your students. And as you can see, there is a series of multiplication problems. How many digits, guys? 3 digits by 1 digit. And for these problems today, we don't need to carry over or use regrouping. But what your students will need to do is they have the problems written for them. But for this exercise, we want to get them to learn how to write the multiplication table themselves. So make sure in the space provided, your students show you're working out in this table here. And we will give our students around 15 minutes to complete this activity. And what's the first thing we must do? Write our names on top, guys. Any problems, any questions, help your students. That's what you're there for.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Down, you're welcome.
Thank you,
Ned,
teacher.
Prel, back
Thank
on.
you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Any problems, guys? Let me know. In fact, what we'll do the first one together. So the first problem, what's the 3-digit number? Down, what's our 3-digit number, the first problem? 213 times by 2. Okay, guys? 213 times by 2. So first of all, we need to write our table, okay? So what's step 1?
2 times 3 equals 6.
Okay. Step 2,
2 times 1 equals 2.
and fan.
2 times 2 equals 4.
So what's our answer?
426.
426. So there you go. There's number 1 done for you. 213 times by 2 equals
426.
excellent. And you can work through the rest of the problems by yourselves. But make sure you show your table. I want to see your tables, guys. Okay? Nadia, excellent. Pat, well done. Prel, I want to see your tables. You need to do your workings with your tables. Make sure you show your tables, guys. Even if you can do the answer in your head, demonstrate by using a table. And any problems, let me know. Okay, so it's you. You have to do your answer with the table, okay? Your table. See? 213 times by 2 equals 426. Okay, so next one. 232 times, what's this number? 3.
3.
So 3 times 2,
2.
3 times 2, guys.
3 times 2 equals 6.
So 6 in the ones column, yes. 6. Next in the tens column, 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the next one we have 9. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to work their way through the series of multiplication problems. And as you can see here, my students did it using a multiplication table. So make sure you have your students do this way so that you know they understand the answer. And our students did very good. So well done, guys. Round of applause. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. So what did we learn today, guys? We learned multiplication.
Multiplication.
3-digit numbers.
3-digit number.
By 1-digit numbers. So, we hope you had fun, found it interesting, and we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. Can we all turn to wave and say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.